Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to learn about asking questions in Yoruba. Very many times when we talk to people, we ask one question or the other. We know how to do this in English, so we're going to find out how do we ask our questions in Yoruba. First of all, what is question in Yoruba? The word is ìbéèrè, ìbéèrè, ìbéèrè. Notice this mark on this E. It's showing you that it is that letter A in Yoruba is drawn out. Ìbéèrè. So the question is ìbéèrè. Okay, to ask a question is béèrè. So this is the noun. Ìbéèrè is the noun. The verb, which is to ask a question, is béèrè, béèrè. And what is answer? Ìdáhùn, ìdáhùn, ìdáhùn. To answer is dáhùn, dáhùn. So again, this is the noun and this is the verb, dáhùn. Mo dáhùn ìbéèrè yẹn. Mo, me, dáhùn ìbéèrè yẹn. I answered that question. Mo dáhùn ìbéèrè yẹn. Mo dáhùn ìbéèrè yẹn. I answered that question. Okay. Now that we know what a question is and what is an answer is in Yoruba, let's find out how to ask some useful questions. What is a word that we use all the time in talking to people, speaking with people. So it would be nice to know what it is in Yoruba, right? It is kini. 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 What is your name? Kini orúkọ ẹ. Kini orúkọ ẹ. Kini orúkọ ẹ. What? Kini. Name orúkọ. Of course, is you. Kini orúkọ ẹ. It's that simple. Okay, we move on to the next one. Where is another question, another word that we use in our questions a lot. Where? In Yoruba, where is nibo, 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 nibo. Where is your school? Nibo ni ilé ìwé. You know ilé ìwé is school. Nibo ni ilé ìwé ẹ. Or we can say Nibo ni ilé ìwé ẹ wà. You don't need to add this one. That's why I put it in parentheses. But some people will say it like that. Nibo ni ilé ìwé ẹ wà. Where is your school? I expect you to try to say a few questions now using these words that we learned. So you should think of other questions you can ask using where and what. Okay? The next one is when. When. Ní ìgbà wo. Really, ní ìgbà wo translates to what time. Literally speaking in Yoruba, ní ìgbà wo really translates into what time or at what time. Okay, which we also use in place of when in English. Remember, that, sometimes you say when, okay, you can say when are you leaving, or you can say at what time are you leaving, right? So really, in the Yoruba equivalent, really means at what time, ní ìgbà wo. Okay, so when you say when are you going, when are you going, ní ìgbà wo ni o ń lọ. Remember that we learned about law. We learned that in lesson 2, I believe. This is lesson 3. I believe we learned law for go. We learned wa for come. So you should remember all this, because each lesson you learn something, we're building on it for the next lesson. Okay? So, ní ìgbà wo ni o ń lọ? When are you going? Or when are you leaving? Ní ìgbà wo ni o ń lọ? So pay attention to that. Okay. Now, let us look at a few more questioning words. Okay, a couple more ways in which we ask questions. How is very common. How? How do you do? How would you do this? How did you do that? How? The Yoruba words or ways in which we say that are báwo, or we can say ọ̀nà wo. Ọ̀nà wo really means in what way? In what way? Or by what method did you do something? That's what ọ̀nà wo really means. Ọ̀nà wo. Or we can say báwo. You can notice the word, the wo part. Wo. So that's really the operative. In what way? Ọ̀nà wo. Okay? So when we now say, how did you open the door? The Yoruba way to say that, Yoruba translation is, báwo ni o ṣe ṣí ilẹ̀kùn? Báwo ni o ṣe ṣí ilẹ̀kùn? Now notice that the she here is a she, so it's the S with the dot. Here is also S with the dot. Sh. So báwo ni o ṣe ṣí ilẹ̀kùn? Of course, by now you can guess that ilẹ̀kùn is door, right? Ilẹ̀kùn is door. So how did you open the door? Báwo ni o ṣe ṣí ilẹ̀kùn? Okay? We can also ask, how many? How many? That is, in Yoruba, mélòó. How many? Mélòó. So we can ask, how many children are there? How many children are there? That would translate to, àwọn ọmọ mélòó ni ó wà níbẹ̀? Àwọn ọmọ mélòó ni ó wà níbẹ̀? Now remember that you have seen níbẹ̀. Also, I believe in lesson 2. Níbẹ̀ or níbẹ̀ yẹn. So I want you to go back to lesson 2 and refresh yourself of that. That in níbẹ̀ yẹn, I told you that means there, which is what you see here now. So again, you are building. Of course, you know ọmọ means children. And when there are more than one, you say àwọn ọmọ. Anytime you see àwọn, it's to signify plural. Àwọn ọmọ, more than one child. Okay, àwọn ọmọ mélòó. You see the mélòó is the how many. Okay, ni ó wà níbẹ̀. Wà is to be. Wà is to be. So, those are there. Àwọn ọmọ mélòó ni ó wà níbẹ̀?